What's new in Power BI? April 2025 update. Power BI just got even better. Here are the standout features this month that boost productivity, improve insights, and enhance the user experience. Copilot and AI. Ad hoc calculation support is now available in read mode, making it even easier to get AI-powered answers from your data model. Reporting, save time with one-click mobile-optimized layouts. Apply it to new or existing report pages effortlessly. Modeling. The Azure Maps visual now supports auto-zoom, instantly focusing on plotted reference layers for better geographic insights. Visualizations. Introduce clearer structure with the new table with custom headers by JTA, perfect for organizing complex data displays. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.